Hello and welcome back to the Solidity course. In the previous tutorial we have discussed the difference between pure and view, and now in this tutorial we will discuss the payable functions. Any deployed smart contract has got its own public address and also a wallet. You should know that smart contracts can hold ethers just like wallets. If you visit any deployed smart contract on Etherscan, you can see the balance of the smart contract there. Payable is used in smart contract whenever a transfer of value is involved. For example, if the user is transferring the ether from wallet to smart contract, or withdrawing ether from contract to his wallet, or even between two users through smart contract. So let's see how to use Payable. Open remix and test.sol file. In this contract, let's create a function pay, which will be public and payable. Inside this function, we don't do anything. Now also define one more function, getBalance, which will be public view and returns unsigned integer. Inside this function, let's return the balance of this contract. The address of this contract can be accessed with the address of this and then followed by .balance. Let's compile and deploy the smart contract. And now in the remix, from this input, we can provide the value to the contract. Let's transfer 2 ethers. So type 2 and select ether and call the pay function. Now let's get the balance. It shows us in the V format. 1 ether is equal to 10 to the power of 18 V. Now let's create one more function to withdraw ether. This will be public, payable, since we are transferring ether from contract to wallet this time. Inside this function, let's type payable of msg.sender and then .transfer and amount. Let's put 1 ether. So deploy the smart contract. Now remember to deposit some ethers in the contract before withdrawing, since the contract balance must be greater than 1. So let's deposit 2 ethers again with pay function, and now call the withdraw function and check the balance of the contract again, and the balance of user's wallet has also got increased. So this was all about using Payable. Now let's talk about the fallback function. Basically, a fallback function in the smart contract is a function which is executed if none of the other functions match the function's identifier or no data was provided with the function's call. Only one unnamed function can be assigned per contract. If the contract is receiving any ether, then fallback function must be defined as payable. In the Solidity 12 version, the fallback function which is receiving the ether can be defined as receive with payable keyword. Let's try to define one fallback function in the contract. So this was all about the payable and fallback functions in the Solidity. See you in the next tutorial.